Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to add a stop to a planned drive on Waze. So first things first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now, once you are on Waze, of course, you would just simply plan your ride. So for example, I am going to this specific location over here. So I'm going to start the ride. So now guys, from here, as you can see, I have planned a drive. So in order for you to add a stop, you just simply swipe to the top over here. As you can see, I will have a panel over here. Now, as you can see, you will have an option over here, add a stop. So now you could just simply tap on add a stop. And from here, you will have multiple options. You could either customize the location, you could just simply search at the top, or you could go for the gas station that you will have along the way, or you could go for food or parking. And now if you swipe to the left, as you can see over here, you will have other options like groceries, and you will have more over here when you tap on more. And pretty much you could select all of the categories over here. So when you select one over here, automatically it will suggest category that you selected. For example, I'm gonna go for the coffee, and right after that, all of the coffee that I will go along the way will be listed over here, and I could just simply select it to add it as my stop, and from there I could add as many stop as I can, and pretty much from here you should be able to add some stop. So pretty much this will be based on your own personal preferences, and just simply provide the information needed in order for you to proceed with this process. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.